Hello, I'm broadcasting live from the McDonald's on Center Avenue to bring you the good news of the area of a square. See, the formula to find the area of a square is side squared. So we measured the side of a square. It happened to be 4.5 inches. So you do 4.5 squared, and that would equal 20.25.
There's 3 feet, and then there's another 3 feet because of the diagonals. And then I think you times them. And then you take half of that, right?
Nope.
Everybody sneezes.
4.5 inches.
So we got 4.5 inches.
We do base times height, and then the base is 9, and the height is 6, and the area is 54 inches squared.
Boy, if you don't.
Finding the length of this sector. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So to find the length of this sector, we use the formula m times ab over 360, and then times pi r squared. And after plugging all of this stuff in, we our answer is 15.9, which is the length of this sector. And
Shut your.
Whoa!
We plugged in the radius, which is 4.5, and the measure of the angle, which is 90, and then we got 0.25 times 63.6. When we times that together, we got 15.9, and that is the maybe area for this sector. Those are my bosom.
to find the area of a polygon, we do 1/2 times the apothem.
You know, that looks like a setup for an ad or something for hair. The hair all spread out like that, somebody taking a picture. You can take a picture of her like that, send it in, maybe.
Polygon, we will do 1/2 times the apothem. And so the apothem is 1.25 as we measured on this polygon. So 1.25 times 5, which is, equals 0.625. So our area of this polygon is 0.625 inches.
We're going to do the surface area of a prism, and the prism I'm using is this DS. And to find the surface area, you have to find the lateral area first, and the lateral area is the perimeter times the height. So once you find that, you get 15 and 0.5, and you times that together and you get 7.5, and then you add 10 to that, because that's the 2 bases from this one, and then you get the surface area equals 17.5 inches squared. Okay, so we are going to find the volume of a prism, and this is the prism I have. It's like a little charger thing. And the volume of a prism is base times height, and the base is 4, the height is 1, so the volume is 4 inches cubed.
So we're doing the surface area of a cylinder. That's a cylinder.
Wait,
Anyway, you have to find the lateral area first, and that is pi times dh. D equals 2, h equals 7. So that was that. And then to find the surface area, you have to do the lateral area plus 2b. And then you did that, and it was 47.96.
That's the surface area of
that cylinder.
Yay.
this is how you find the circumference of this circle. Michael, I can't do it with you right here. Okay. So this is how you find the circumference of this circle. Okay. You know the circumference equals pi times. What you in your video? Okay, stop. Okay, so the circumference of this circle. So to find the circumference, it is c equals pi times the diameter. The diameter is 6. So we did pi times the diameter, and that equals 18.84. The circumference of this circle is 18.84. Gusala she ripped this plate in half out of anger, frustration. So now we have an arc, as you can see right here. And well, formula to find the
Length
length of this arc is m times AB over 360
So then,
times 2 pi r.
so then we found out the R equals 3 and the M equals 120. So we plugged those in right there, and then we did the math out, and that equals 18, and that equals 0.33, and we times those and got 5.94, and that is the length of that arc.
5.94.
Area of this sphere, 4 pi r squared. The radius equals 7. Surface area equals 4 pi 49.
That's me plugging in the 7 and squaring it.
That's why I was okay, because it's r squared.
And then 4 times pi equals 12.5 times 49.
And then the surface area is 615.4 inches squared. Wait.
Okay, we're gonna find the volume of this here. So Okay, volume equals 4/3 pi r squared. Nope, cubed. And then r equals 6.5. And then 6.5. Like there's the math and stuff. And then the volume equals 1150.6.
Get out of my chair.
Okay, so we want to find the area of this trapezoid.
Stool?
On this whatever thing. So A equals 1/2 H, which is base 1 times base 2. And H equals 7.
So half of H is 3.5.
Half of H is 3.5. So then 3.5 times these numbers is 402.5
Inches squared.
area of the parallelogram.
We got it.
And it equals base times height.
Yes.
Okay, so the base is 22.
Nope, that's the height.
The height is 22. And the base is 45. And they're both in inches. And so 45 times 22 is 990.
It's like really zoomed in.
Inches squared.
Wait, we gotta like.
Okay.
To find the surface area, you have to find the lateral area, and that you have to do pi times diameter times height, and then diameter equals 3, and then the height is 4. I'm sorry. And then.
I'm so sorry, camera.
No, just keep going.
And then the surface area equals lateral area plus 2 times base. Lateral area equals 37.7. The surface area equals 37.7 plus 6. So the surface area equals 43.7. There you go. Okay, we're finding the surface area of this cone. So first you have to find the lateral area.
Hold on.
So then it's pi times r times l.
Dude, you gotta hold the cone.
Give me my pencil.
It's dirty.
Okay, so first of all,
And you put that in my car.
so that's the cone that we're using, that we're doing, and we did not steal it from a cemetery.
Yes, we did.
No, we did not. And here is
You
the
already
math.
stole it.
And then Skylar explained the math for
Oh,
us.
you want me to explain it? Okay, so to find the surface area, you gotta do the lateral area first, and that's pi times the radius times the length. And we measured the radius to be 4 inches, and then the length was 16 inches long. So then you times that by pi, and that's 209. So the surface area is 209 inches.
I didn't know it could do that.
Holy crap! Oh, it does it all the way.
To find the volume
Yes.
Okay, to find the volume of it, it's 1/3 base times height.
Yep.
Okay, so base equals 8 inches and the height equals 15 inches. So it equals 40 inches cubed.
That is the volume of the cone. So right now I'm underneath this thing. There's Ella.
Wait,
and
what are you doing?
That beeping noise you hear is Skylar backing up somewhere in the. Can I zoom in while I'm recording? And I can.
Okay, I don't know what you're saying, but like.
We're not buying that. Yeah, we are. Let's go. Oh wait, is this?
Are we going?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna find the area of the pelvic. We're gonna find the area of the pelvic.
Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, fully fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.